Upgraded shower experience. The 3.7-inch diameter showerhead features 3 separate spray modes, creating an individual spa-like shower experience. Range of spray modes. This showerhead features 3 sprays: full, pulsating massage, and intense turbo that provide everything from a luxurious rain shower for washing away daily stress to an invigorating massage spray perfect for tired muscles. Simple to clean. The 72 easy-to-clean anti-limescale silicone spray nozzles optimize water flow performance and can be quickly wiped clean. Easy installation. Mounts quickly and easily to existing 6 or 9-inch long shower arm. Simply take your old showerhead off and replace it with your new one. Style versatility. Compatible with a wide variety of shower trim styles to fit your existing bathroom decor. Easy adjust positioning. The 26-degree range allows you to get just the right angle needed to fit your shower. Water flow. The 2.5 GPM flow rate provides thorough water flow. Connection details. Contain standard 1/2-inch connection to easily retrofit to any shower arm. Installation notes. Hansgrohe recommends a licensed plumber install this product. Top reviews from the United States. How to remove flow restrictor. Great showerhead. Had to replace it because the other Clubmaster only lasted 20 years. First thing you do is remove the black rubber strainer. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. You will keep this part as allows the showerhead to seal to the water pipe without leaking and also captures any water sediment. Next you put on some eyeglasses or goggles. Then you take a needle nose pliers and remove the 6-point star-shaped metal grommet. This grommet was pressed in under tension and will spring out when removed and could hit your eye if you are not careful. Now use the needle nose pliers to remove the plastic flow restrictor. Then reinstall the black rubber strainer, turning it clockwise until you can't turn it any longer. You are now good to go.